is your skin?
Yo, 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 what's going on YouTube?
What is my skin?
Are you brown or are you white, light,
What the hell are these guys
I'm
talking about?
Caucasian.
Caucasian? Oh, you have like a brown hair and shit.
I probably should
Tall,
mute
dark, and
everybody.
Nice.
I'm Armenian. Yeah, that's
What
Go,
are
I
you
got a
stopping? No. What the fuck? Oh my lord.
A la verga, puta perro.
Okay. Is he okay? Ah.
Se cree un culo que.
Oh shit. Got back home from the gym. Figured to play some CS. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I did pull the slaughter knife. I did. It was pretty fucking lit too. Still another one over there. Let's go. Oh. Come on, yo. I don't get it. Oh, our team doesn't like to push together. Uh. I'll go with 2 pot flashes. No, homeboy already left us. Coffee is good this morning too. Shit, it's gonna be a good ass day. Why the fuck did he need to leave, dude? The fuck? I've never seen that animation before. That's kind of cool. I usually see the spinning one. Yeah, usually I see that one, not the other one. Oh, this is fantastic. And why am I the only person with some kills on my team? What the hell does that say? Yeah, no, I was so hyped when I pulled this knife. Dude, 2 AFKs? Bruh. No, it's probably gonna be a fucking 3rd one. Great. Yo, stop stomping around, bro. And my... Oh, fuck, dude. I just wanted to get a normal game in before I went to work. Ah, whatever. More train practices. Yeah, for some reason my game is just not...
Se nos fue un puto.
I feel like it's not running correctly. He got fucking dinged.
Putos, go putos. Con putos.
There's no fucking way we just sprayed. Okay.
Where's the last one?
He's there, he's there.
Okay, right time. He's here, eh? Careful. He's coming. Who wants? Who's good with the app?
I'm not.
I don't want the app, dog. I don't know how to use it. Someone use it.
Whatever, I guess. Not that very good with it, but I'll take it. Okay. I'm such a fucking idiot. Whoa! Oh my! Don't give me the op. Please don't give me the op. I shot my teammate in the head and I fucking... So fucking bad. Oh my god. It is what it is. I can't even really call this like whack. It's just like well, his ass is just stomping around. Does he not? Oh, yeah, I shot the guy in the head with the bomb. Oops. My bad. Oh, I wish this Dr. Pepper guy would come back. I really don't even... Are these guys good? I don't think they're fucking good.
towards the tree, guys.
Fucking smack. Okay. Are we kidding me? That was like a free fucking kill. Yo, we don't spray? 89 for 3. And it says I didn't even get the assist for it. Oh, that is crazy. This is just team deathmatch at this point. I'm not even... Can't even win this game. Feels like. Just gonna go do my own fucking thing, I guess. Holy fuck, thank God I beat him this time. Plant that, John. Wow, we won a round. Holy fuck.
Switch it up, go away.
Okay, ready, E7.
I'll flash it.
Okay.
Oh.
You have 24 bullets.
There's no way he just said that. Oh, holy fuck. That's insane.
Heard him behind you. To your right.
Oh, wait, you heard him. No, you heard him. Oh, shit. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Oh, nice.
Nice.
That was good. This will count as a loss. Ah, man. Do we surrender? Well, I'm gonna put the F1 up, but if not, that's fine too. Alrighty, GG's. Got a little bit of train practice, that's alright. It's unfortunate that, you know, Dr. Cherry had to fucking leave, but GG's, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.